Don't you wanna stay? Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
I'm using MIRACOMB's foldable blow dryer today, and this is straight out of the box. As you can see, it looks beautiful, and those are the two attachments that comes with it. And they also sent me the diffuser. Y'all, this blow dryer looks so nice and sleek with the blue and the gold, okay? And then you can fold it, y'all, so it can be portable. And it has a brushless motor with the cleaning mode. I was just trying to dry the inside of the wig, y'all. But it's freshly washed. And now I'm just spraying a little bit more water at the top because we're going to add some leave-in conditioner and some gel on top of that to give it some definition. And now I'm doing my leave out to blend with the wig. Now I'm detaching the magnetic diffuser and I'm about to dry this hair, but I want to get into the functions of each button: the bottom on and off, and the top left, the 4 temperature settings, and the top right, 3 speed settings. And of course, you're going to have the cool off button. So pressing the left top button, I start off with 140 temperature because I don't want to fry my leave out, y'all. So I don't want to start off too hot. So eventually I go to 200 with diffusing the rest of the hair. And I press the top right button for the speed settings. At first I used the second to highest speed, and then eventually I went to the highest. I love that this blow dryer is lightweight, it's small and efficient, and it's portable. And even though it's lightweight, it's still powerful, y'all. It only took me 15 to 20 minutes for my hair to dry. And a lot of us know how time consuming drying curly hair can be. It can take a very long time. So 15 to 20 minutes is really good.
my stuff back. You can send it in a box, I don't care, just drop it off. I won't be home, 'cause without me you know you're lost. Minus you, I'm better off. Soon you will know you're not living, so you're living. Living with me. You're not winning, so you're winning.
I'm just touching up a few curls in the front, but everything will be listed down below in the description box so you can get your hands on this amazing blow dryer and diffuser. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all next time.